It has been 53 years since the Apollo missions landed people on the moon. But now we are going back with better technology and better camera footage with the all-new Artemis missions to the moon. Get ready to learn all about it. Coming up next. The Artemis 1 rocket was the most powerful rocket ever launched. It was even more powerful than the amazing Saturn V rocket that caused earthquakes across America. The solid rocket boosters of the Artemis rocket alone burned 6 tons of fuel per second. The whole rocket was around 64 meters high and weighed the same as 400 elephants, 2,540,000 kilograms. It was heavy, and a heavy rocket requires a heavy-duty rocket engine. Artemis generates 8.4 million pounds of thrust. It is hard to imagine this much power. The design of the solid rocket boosters was inherited from the space shuttle. Artemis's rocket boosters were approximately 45 meters high and weighed over 700,000 kilograms each. Solid rocket boosters add significant thrust during takeoff. This allows rockets to reach the very high speeds required to exit the atmosphere and orbit the Earth. You need to travel 28,000 kilometers per hour to get into orbit around the Earth, and this happens when the speed of your falling matches the curvature of the Earth. If you want to then leave the orbit of the Earth and travel to the Moon or another planet, you need even more power in your rocket, and that's why the Artemis rocket is so big. Artemis 1 was named after the Greek goddess of hunting, nature, animals, wilderness, and the moon, Artemis. She was the daughter of Zeus, the king of the gods, and her twin brother was Apollo. NASA and astronomers have a very long history of naming planets and rockets after Greek and Roman gods. The Artemis rocket was designed to propel the Orion spacecraft into orbit and then onwards towards the moon. The Orion spacecraft will eventually carry humans to the moon. In 2024, NASA is hoping to send humans back to the moon with the Artemis 2 mission. It will be the first time that people will step on a celestial body other than Earth in more than 50 years. Right now, the Orion spacecraft has completed its journey around the moon and returned to Earth, making a successful splashdown in the ocean. It took amazing photos of Earth when it was orbiting the moon and stunning photos of the lunar surface. Orion gathered important data that will help future missions involving people. The long-term aim of the Artemis missions is to further explore the lunar surface and prepare for future missions to Mars. I hope you enjoyed watching my video about Artemis. If you did, hit the like button and share it with a friend. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss the next video. Until next time, give me space.